Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Macha, hereby presenting another session of Forensic Book Haul series on platform Nexus, the Ultimate Forensics. This session deals with a very important domain of forensic science, that is, the fingerprints. So let's begin to know my book collection, which can help you to know some interesting facts about fingerprints. So I have listed down 10 books that can help you with that. The first book I would like to suggest is Fingerprints, Soles and Palms, an Introduction to Dermatoglyphics by Harold Cummins and Charles Midlow, published by Dover's Publications in 1961. This book consists of information regarding the history of fingerprints, all the basic and general concepts involved in fingerprints, its methodology and equipments required to record fingerprints. Additionally, it also includes palm prints, sole prints and the biology of how fingerprints are actually formed. This book costs around rupees 5,000 and is also available online as well as in bookstores. To download this book for free, visit this website shown on the screen. The second book is titled as The Science of Fingerprints, Classification and Uses by John Edgar Hoover, published by Project Gutenberg in 2006. This book gives us information about the types and classification of fingerprints, the various techniques involved in lifting prints in the crime scene, and also the detailed information about the latent impressions. It also gives us information about the various problems that are faced in fingerprinting the dead. Additionally, it has the information on how to present notes in courtroom presentation, and also this book is available online to download for free, and you can refer the website that is shown on the screen. Moving on to a third book, that is Fingerprint Analysis and Understanding by Mark Hawthorne, published by CRC Press, Taylor and Francis Group in 2009. This book almost covers every topics of fingerprints that we must know. That is the history, the methods of identification, the pattern and various classification system, techniques involved in fingerprint development and the courtroom presentation. This book is very much best for beginners to start with. Has many pictures and examples to refer. This book is available online to buy around rupees 4,000, and if you want to download it for free, then here's the website from where you can download it. The fourth book I would like to suggest is The Fundamentals of Fingerprint Analysis by Moses Hilary DeLuz. This is another book published by the same publisher, that is CRC Press, Taylor and Francis Group in 2015. This book has more in-depth information of the physiology and embryology, like how the fingerprints are actually formed, then the history, latent fingerprints and methods of processing fingerprints. It has a very brief information of all the physical and chemical methods to develop fingerprints. The specialty of this book is that it has a section of fingerprint analysis, that is documentation, crime scene processing, comparison and courtroom presentation, all in a very detailed manner. This book also has case studies under every section for us to understand. This book is very useful for people who want to study fingerprints in depth and in detail. The book is available online for around 4,500 rupees, but if you want to download it for free, there is a website link shown on the screen. The next fifth book I would like to suggest is Fingerprints and Other Skin Ridges, written by Christoph Champfort, Chris Leonard, Pierre Margot, and Militon Stoilovic. Published by, yet again, the same publisher, CRC Press, in 2004. This book consists of information about terminologies used in fingerprints. The book mainly focuses on the chemistry of techniques used in developing the fingerprints, like the reagents, the optical instruments used in developing fingerprints are also explained. This book costs around 5,500 rupees, but its soft copy is readily available on the website shown on the screen. Now moving on to the sixth book, that is the Fingerprint Source Book by Eric H. Holder, Laurie O. Robinson, and John H. Lobb, published by National Institute of Justice. This book mainly focuses on history, anatomy, and recording process of living and post-mortem friction ridge. Also, it has details of how to preserve the friction ridge. This is a very important topic that we must know. This has scientific research and special abilities and vulnerabilities in forensic expertise included. The cost of the book is around 1,123 rupees online and can download for free too. The seventh book is titled as The Fingerprint Analysis Laboratory Workbook by Hilary Moses Dalous, published by the same publisher, that is the CRC Press, Taylor and Francis Group, in 2019. This is a second edition book. This book has some basic knowledge of fingerprints, like its characteristics, classification, but it mainly and specially focuses on the methods of developing fingerprints in the crime scene and its documentation and comparisons. The book is readily available online for around 2,300 rupees, but you can freely download it too from this website. The next book I would like to suggest is Advances in Fingerprint Technology by Henry C. Lee and Ari Gainslin, published by CRC Press in 2001, and it is a second edition book too. This book tackles mainly with the latent fingerprints found in crime scene and the process of latent fingerprints developed there. All the physical and chemical methods are included in depth. The book is for 4,500 rupees online, but you can download the soft copy readily on the shown website. The ninth book that I suggest is Fingerprint Detection with Lasers by E. Roland Menzel. This book is a revised and expanded version, second edition book. This book only focuses on the development procedures and the chemicals equipment used in developing fingerprints. It has all the detailed information about the lights, lasers, and other fluorescents used in developing the prints in a crime scene. It has a great deal of briefly explained procedures about techniques involved in fingerprinting. The book costs around 4,000 to 8,000 rupees online, but can be downloaded for free. The last book, which is the 10th book that I recommend, is Automated Fingerprint Identification System by Peter Komarinsky. The book consists of information about the classification and identification systems. It gives a brief information on how automated fingerprint identification system works. It also explains that how fingerprints are unique. At the end, case studies are also mentioned for a better understanding. The book is for around 5,000 to 6,000 rupees online, but are readily available in soft copy form on this website shown here on the screen. So these were the 10 books that I suggest, which may help you in increasing your knowledge in the field of forensic fingerprints. Also, in case if these books are difficult for you to find online, then these are readily available in soft copy or PDF form if you refer the link in the description below. Hope the hall makes your own customized library in the journey of forensics. Thank you. Stay tuned for future updates. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. I, Aarti Macha, signing off. Thank you. Stay safe.